Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can easily stop loss in Trading212. So even when you're buying or selling, I will just show you. In selling, you're gonna select the market, then you're gonna select the limit here, set the minimum price you're willing to get per share, or you're gonna like the stop, set the price below the current price that converts your order to market order, or you can go with a stop limit, as limit price is a stop loss. So then set the minimum price you're willing to get per share. So let's say that I'm willing to, I don't know, limit price to 50, right? And then I will just review the order, and that's pretty much it. Also, when you're buying, you're gonna see it right here, the stop limit and stop, also in buying and also in selling. So that's pretty much it. I don't even know like what's in this stock, in this ETF. And guys, definitely check this ETF. I really like the ESPO. Let me show you if it's going to load. But this is how we can sell and short sell in Trading212. If you have any questions, guys, ask them down below in comments. I'll be really happy to help you. I provide you some guided support. You know how it works. So Bloomberg and Microsoft, Apple, Visa, 20%. This is what I don't actually like about the ETF, that like the 40% is Apple and Microsoft. I trust and believe in Microsoft. For example, Microsoft Office was wonderful. Microsoft Teams was really good product for completely destroying Slack and Trello and others. But still, I mean, Salesforce is good. Adobe, like this is not bad. But I don't actually see a difference between the VVC right? Like, what's the point of investing to Copy.ai, which is like really just same as this one? That's what I don't actually understand. But yeah, have a great day and goodbye.